In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you card in Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished card ready to print or share online, even if you're brand new to design. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log in if you already have an account, or sign up for free in just a moment. Canva is beginner-friendly and includes ready-made thank you card templates, so you don't have to start from scratch unless you want to. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top and type "Thank you card." This pulls up a variety of styles for different occasions: simple, elegant, playful, or bold. Take a quick moment to scroll and notice sizes and orientations so you pick one that suits how you plan to use it, whether that's printing or sending digitally. When you find a design you like, click it to open the editor. Templates are fully customizable layouts, which means you can change any element while keeping a strong visual foundation. That saves time and helps your design look polished from the start. Now, edit the text. Click any existing headline or message and type your own, like, "Thank you so much." Keep your wording warm and specific to the occasion if you can. Highlight the text to adjust the font, size, and color. Pair a bold headline font with a simple body font for readability, and make sure your text color contrasts well with the background. If you'd like to personalize it, add an image. Click the Uploads panel to bring in a photo from your device, such as a team picture or product shot. Keep photos high quality and aligned neatly so the design doesn't feel crowded. A small, relevant icon can also add a nice finishing touch without overwhelming the message. Next, customize the colors and layout. Try updating the background color to match your brand or event theme, and adjust shapes or accents to create balance. Drag and drop elements to reposition them, and watch for Canva's alignment guides to keep everything centered and tidy. Before wrapping up, review your design carefully. Check spelling and punctuation, ensure spacing is consistent, and confirm the message is easy to read at a glance. Zoom in to inspect details, and then zoom out to see the overall balance and clarity. When you're happy with it, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF for printing to get crisp results, or pick PNG or JPG if you're sharing digitally. Name your file clearly so it's easy to find later. That's it, your thank you card is ready to go.